Guys, horn test actually like out on the roads you cannot really, especially during peak hours in my opinion, the horn is not as loud as eco drives. It's a bit kind of like a flat horn, so like if you're on PCN and then you want to alert pedestrians, they can't really hear you. I've tried just now, they can't really hear you unless you're closer to them, then they can hear you. So that's my feedback for the horn. Nothing too major lah, nothing major lah. Okay, that was feedback for the horn. Now feedback for the seat. It's one of the, I have to say, it's one of the more comfortable seat that I've sat on in a while. Don't say Zebra lah. Zebra, I'm just used to it lah. Why it's comfortable? Because there's suspension. It's a bit solid. Some may not like it, some may like it. New seats are like that lah. It's solid and firm. I really don't like the soft seat lah. Those seats that is being used on Drive and Venom as well. I'm sorry, G-Move, MC, LC, Drive. Those seats I really don't like. Way too soft for my liking. Prefer a firmer seat lah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is here. Have to count Back to primary school. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets.